Time, ilabas mo na po ang mga photos nyo, ang inyong mga camera. Everybody, photo up na tayo. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, this is Philippine
Ladies and gentlemen, the cast of Ang Babae sa Septic Tank 4. Oh shit, it's live sa Cheddar! Hello, I was going to prepare lang po yung ating stage before we proceed sa ating media Q&A session. And again, thank you po for coming for the press conference of Ang Babae sa Septic Tank 4. Before we move on, let us introduce po muna ourselves. I am Mark Lozano, PR Manager in Training of PETA. Together with me po is...
And PR account manager po.
Yes!
So what you just saw is just a teaser of a whole lot of chaos you will see in June. So habang pinaprepare nila yon, medyo chika lang tayo konti. No?
Yes, let's go.
So, ikaw Mark, anong striking sa'yo dun sa napanood natin?
Ako, grabe no, teaser pa lang pero parang sobrang iconic na talaga. So sobrang nag-look forward ako paano to mag-flash out para sa actual run natin on June. Pero ako ngayon, sobrang striking sa akin yung Ogeng-geng song. Ito yung naririnig natin, no? Grabe. Ikaw, Luella, what's striking you?
Alam mo yung striking sa akin, yung monologue ni Ugia talaga.
Yes, our queen shit, right?
Like the queen shit talaga. So, I think ready na din naman agad ang ating stage. Ito na siya. So, let us welcome back to the stage